Hey everybody, this is Midnight Update. I'm Seamus Byrne. Welcome to Wednesday, 27th of May. Today, Nokia's new Ovi store went live, making it easy for Nokia users to grab new apps, games, videos, tools, and all that jazz for their Nokia handsets. All this catch-up to the Apple App Store concept is great for the industry, really, as making things simple is always going to push the market forward. No matter how much buzz the iPhone gets, Nokia is still #1 in the world for mobiles, so this is a big win for all those non-iPhone users who still want to customize and upgrade their handset. The local Ovi store also supports operator billing for Telstra, Optus, Vodafone, and Crazy John's, making it almost too easy to browse and buy without a second thought. Store.ovi.com is the place to go on your Nokia phone for more info. Over in the iPhone camp, Vodafone is the first local carrier to launch that sexy visual voicemail feature that was available at US launch but has never been implemented here. There's obviously some kind of technical requirement in doing it, but a cynical voice might suggest telcos hate losing revenue from our use of those slow-laboured voicemail management systems. Luckily, I'm not one of those voices. Now, if you're an iPhone user on Vodafone, it's live for some now, but for others, it's not quite there yet. So maybe give it a day or two. If you're with anyone else, cross your fingers, say some prayers, or ring customer support and give them a spray. You know how call center workers love it when you talk angry. And then there's Android, where the touchscreen-only Android smartphone, the HTC Magic, is set for media launch this week and availability from mid-June, with models available at both Vodafone and 3. If you want it in white, you'll need to talk to Vodafone. But more interesting than the colour is an extra feature available only on 3's version. CNET has noticed that the model from 3 includes Microsoft ActiveSync, the software you need to get your email from an Exchange server. The HTC Dream over at Optus is also lacking this feature. A nice bonus for 3 customers, if you want one, and you use Exchange servers. While we're bouncing around the mobile universe, there's something about the hotly anticipated Palm Pre I had only noticed recently, and it kind of has me worried for Palm all over again. Keep in mind, the Palm Pre is very much about the new WebOS delivering clever web apps and cloud services, yet the network information attached to this highly data-oriented smartphone is all CDMA, GSM, and EVDO. Where's the full-strength 3G? Where's the HSPA? Am I missing something here? And I'm quite serious. Please mail me if you can see something that I'm actually missing, because right now I'm thinking that this is going to be too slow to deliver on its promise, and that will not bring Palm back from the dead. Enough with the phones, let's talk the future of the desktop. Seems there is good news in the short-term future for anyone waiting until a free upgrade program kicks off for Windows 7. APC reports some leaflets are already dropping from some new Acer computers, pointing to June 26 as the time when the Windows 7 upgrade option program begins. If you buy a Vista machine, you'll get an upgrade to a comparable version when Windows 7 officially launches. No such luck if you buy a Vista Basic machine. But if you downgrade to XP at the factory, you'll still get an upgrade to Windows 7 as Vista is still technically attached to your machine. That's all for tonight's update. Thanks for stopping by. Join us weeknights around midnight Sydney time for Daily Geek News. And for more coverage, visit midnightupdate.com.